get set to go, and I can just capture the first rates any seconds now. And it's not, nobody really is talking about the Nifty here. Everybody, however, wants to know that where the mid and the small cap stocks in a sense have started. So Nifty is off to a flat start, which is on expected lines, but you want to look at Ratan India Power 3% down, Brightcom 4% up, IRFC 2% down, Suzlon 2% down, JP Power 1% up. I'm just rattling numbers here because that's what's happening. Interesting for me is Suzlon, which is off circuit. Interesting for me is GTL Infra, which is bouncing back up. There is Yes Bank, which is at 17.5. It is not a scary start, guys. It is not a scary start. So, I mean, you may say that yesterday's price action has left a lot of bitter aftertaste, but today's sweetener will wash out a lot of yesterday's bitterness. That's what I can say, because the screen is not looking that bad. Unlike what we thought in the morning when we looked at technicals, momentum, and other indicators and valuations, that we could be in for a very volatile and a weak start, I think the market has delightfully surprised, as always. Again.
Yeah, a bunch of stocks which are in focus as well, and let's look out for what NTPC is up to. They've completed the trial operations of the first unit of the Telangana Super Thermal Power Project. That stock is still going gung-ho, 1% higher nearly for that one. There's Dixon Technologies. They've incorporated one of their arms, Dixon Infotech, for now laptops, desktops, and LOT device maintenance as well. KC International, sizable orders across various businesses worth in excess of 1,000 crore rupees. KC International has gapped up 6% as we speak right now. Besides that, of course, a bunch of other stocks which are in focus. We've been marking what's happening outside of the index, and BHEL, Indiabulls Housing, REC PFC, these are stocks that I definitely want to revisit. BHEL has stalled the fall but started off quietish, flattish at that 125 thereabout level. PFC is actually seeing a jump up, about a 0.5% uptick coming in there, and is gathering only further momentum. Flat start for REC, Indiabulls Housing, JMR Infra. That sort of gives you a sense of what the liquid universe and the texture of the market is this morning. REC as well mildly in the positive, and it's a very positive move actually for Indiabulls Housing. It's almost up 3% after that 9.5% fall in the stock yesterday. What about IT, TCS, Infosys? They were all the winners yesterday. Let's revisit some of these large cap names. TCS corrects a little bit, 35.50. Infosys as well, a little bit soft. L&T and ICICI Bank are the other names that I just want to revisit and show you what they're up to in trade. L&T will just come up for you on your screen. That's down about 0.5%, and ICICI Bank, that as well starts off in the red.